John Breyer with Woodward Performance. This is a 2006 GTO track car. It came in and the clutch was non-existent, so we are fixing that. We're doing a ram clutches with the TIC Performance master cylinder and slide cylinder kit. We're doing valve cover gaskets for main seal while we have the clutch and flywheel off. And then it'll be back in a couple months. So what we're doing here is we're just resealing these valve cover gaskets. We had noticed that they were leaking. It's not too bad, just 4 bolts, some gaskets. Alright, we're here finishing up this clutch and TIC Performance slide cylinder install. Got all of his oil cleaned up. I'm getting ready to start it up and test it out.